Hey guys, today we're unboxing the VENVEAL skull license plate screws. Alright, so it comes in a nice little package here. Alright, so each skull is individually packaged and it has a little kit that comes with it. Open these up here. So, alright, and then each kit includes one skull. See that there? Got the nice red eyes. It's like a plastic composite, and then it has a metal insert for the threaded, so you don't have to worry about the threads ripping out. And it's pretty lightweight. And then there is a threaded stud, a lock washer, 2 flat washers, and a nut. So depending how you want to install it, normally I think you would just thread this stud in the back, thread it or push it through the hole in your license plate, and then you can use the nut and the flat washers on the back side. Yeah, so there's 4, so if you want to install 2 or whatever, but each one comes with a kit, which gives you some versatility on how you want to install these. So let's see if we get a better close up here, what these look like. Yeah, so it's like a gloss black, and it has red eyes painted inside of it. So pretty cool looking skull. Yeah, check them out.